Let's make old-fashioned caramel lollipops with just 3 ingredients. If you're a fan of Fannie May candies in the Midwest, then you know about this iconic lollipop. I've made them even better because you only need 3 organic ingredients to enjoy this nostalgic candy. Start by adding 454 grams of cane sugar to a small pot. I highly recommend weighing ingredients for this recipe as it's most accurate, and with true caramel, the ratios of sugar, butter, and cream really matter. Add sticks to lollipop molds, ensuring that the sticks are in the middle of the lollipop mold so they stick well. Set those aside. Put the sugar over low to medium heat. If you have a gas or powerful range, then definitely go low, but if you have an electric range, you'll probably be okay on medium. The sugar will begin to melt on the bottom layer. Stir and shake the pot so the melted sugar comes to the top and the unmelted crystals sink to the bottom. Once the sugar begins to melt more, stir with a high-heat spatula to ensure the sugar is moving and not burning. Once the sugar has completely melted into a liquid, add in 57 grams of salted butter and stir to combine completely. Steam will rise up, so be aware of that and stir quickly to combine the butter so it doesn't burn. It really helps if the butter is soft as it's a warmer temperature. This will create less steam as the butter temperature is closer to the temperature of the hot sugar versus when it's cold. Once the butter is completely combined, add in a 1/4 cup of heavy whipping cream. Add just a little bit at a time and then stir to combine, and then add a little bit more and then stir to combine again. Be sure to stir the entire time to prevent burning. Continue to do this until all the cream is added. Once the cream is combined completely, remove the caramel from the heat. I like to transfer this to a Pyrex liquid measuring cup so it's easy to pour, but this is optional. Pour the caramel into the lollipop molds. Then allow them to set completely, which takes only about 30 minutes. Enjoy these old-fashioned caramel lollipops with just 3 ingredients. For more organic nostalgic candy recipes, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join me next time in the kitchen.